Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 20 Higbee in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So we've seen this house before, but now everything is completely finished. You just saw up front all the landscaping which has been done, and now we'll take a look inside. Here is the living room kitchen area, which is super spacious. You've got this really pretty flooring throughout. It's vinyl flooring. There you can see your front yard out the window and the beautiful deck. This living room, as well as both the bedrooms, comes equipped with a cable jack as well. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen. Here is your refrigerator. This is a side-by-side freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. And this is a Whirlpool appliance. All of the appliances in this house are Whirlpool and have a warranty through the manufacturer. So right here, you've got a ton of cabinet space. And here is the slow closing mechanism that the cabinet doors have. So when you close them, they won't slam closed. We give you a fire extinguisher right there. Here is your dishwasher. And here you have the sink view. So you've got this extendable nozzle on the faucet and those two beautiful windows behind. You can see this kind of baby blue backsplash tile we have throughout the kitchen. Here is your microwave. And that is right above your stove oven combination. You got 4 burners on top there. Here's your oven, and right underneath that is your heating tray. You can also see in here, you've got adjustable shelving. And behind this door right here, we have the mudroom. So this is the perfect spot for you to put your washer and dryer. They hook in right under those cabinets there. And here is even more cabinetry space. So perfect to put linens or towels or whatever have you. And again, these cabinets also have that slow closing mechanism. This is your back door. And to the left of that is your electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular house, so it's 100 amps, and everything is already labeled in there for you. Right here you have your thermostat. This house comes equipped with central air conditioning and forced hot air. Here is your first bathroom. It's a one-piece fiberglass bathtub. Right above the toilet here, you've got a medicine cabinet. And you've got these pretty lights above the mirror. Now we'll take a look at the first bedroom. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. You've got a nice view out the windows. See your lawn, the deck. And here's that cable jack that I mentioned before. Now I'll take a look at the bathroom. Here is your sink. And this bathroom has a shower with 2 seats. Behind this door here is the closet. This runs the length of the wall. We've got a wire rack in there, and here are 2 screen doors if you wanted to change out the Anderson storm doors, which are glass. What you saw there was your whole house shutoff valve, and on the wall was your data plate, which has all the information about the home. This right here is your water heater. It is 40 gallons. And behind here is your furnace. This is an AirQuest furnace, which I think are super, super great because you have this super, super easy to replace filter at the top. And this is the second bedroom. Here's that cable jack again. And this is your closet right here. This also comes with a wire rack installed. Now, if you're interested in this home or any of the other homes we offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.